Okay, again, I now have this my Sadiq folder here, which is up to 11 kilobytes, and I have another folder. What's even in this folder? Django School. Oh wow. I was thinking that I need something that doesn't have some serious stuff inside them. Okay. Okay, let's use this folder. So another way I can do to a folder is I can compress a folder. Alright, so I can right click on it, these options come out, and I say how to archive. Alright, so compressing folder makes folder to be together. It makes it to be a little lighter and easy to carry. Imagine if you put something in your bag, okay, and when you bring so many stuffs and you put them in the bag and you zip the bag, it makes it easy for you to carry that stuff. So that is what I do. So I like to zip. We have RAV4 for zipping. So I put it on zip and I say create normal.zip. Alright, I can set a password to it, like some bags normally have passwords. You just need to put on some password before you can open it. So I can put a password, I can say normal, and wasn't the normal cell, so I better change it. Let me say name. I put it there so I can show the password and you say it corresponds. Alright, so that's it. Okay. So it will simply run and then creates a zip file of, you see the way that is rounded and all. So this folder is actually 20.9 megabytes and this one is 20.5 megabytes. So it has compressed it to removing like 500 kilobytes or 400 kilobytes. Sorry. So even if this file is not here, we can actually, let me put it inside another folder for you to understand. So if I email it to someone, the person can easily right click on it and extract. Let's say extract here, right? So it will be one for the password, and if I don't get it right, to tell specific password is incorrect. If I get it right, it will start extracting it. Okay, so it has extracting it. I to extract it now, and I have the folder now, which is a replica of the one that I have in the desktop. Okay, so you see that's the way we can create a folder, manipulate folder, zip a file. But my zip, because I have an application called WinZip here, if I don't have WinZip, I can actually zip with my default folder. Okay, so that's it on this. That's it on folders. So next thing we have on the desktop is the wallpaper or background. It's just a design, like you're seeing this animated bird and this smiley face here and some basic shapes here. That the wallpaper that this system has. So how can you modify the wallpaper? Again, right click, go to personalize. Always know if you need options to do something, right clicking will give you the option. So when it does, I can actually click and say, use this as a wallpaper. And once I do that, I can actually view the preview here. I go to the desktop, I will see that I've changed my wallpaper. Or I can browse my system to pick out any other wallpaper that I want. Whether there is a wallpaper that I need to have, I want to use, I can simply scroll down to it, find it, and then use that. So I want to use this, so I click on it, say choose. Okay, once I do that, I'll go to the desktop again, you see that it has applied to it. If I don't like the color that is showing here, I can always change the color from here. Alright, I can change the color and I can scroll down for more colors. So that's more colors, so I can go to custom color and do stuff like that, or I drag to choose, say done, and then it will apply. Look at the desktop, it will apply. Alright? So, but I prefer my this thing with my pinkish looking rose. Okay. So that's how you can manipulate a wallpaper. So next up that I have here is the tags bar. The tags bar is the bottom. Normally by default is at the bottom, though it mustn't always be there. I can decide I want the tags bar to be to the left or to the right or whichever place. So I have to drag it there, right click, lock tags bar, I can uncheck it. So once I remove it from check, that means I can now move it. It's no longer locked. So I can move it here, move it here, move it here. So if I want it to stay here, I can simply right click and then lock. So when you've done that, you see trying to drag it down, it doesn't work. But by default it stays below. Okay, so we have to just lock it there and allow it to be there. It can stay anywhere. It can stay even on top, you can take it up, right? So it can stay anywhere. Prefer it down here, you lock it back. Alright, but what is the content of this tags bar? Number one, the tags bar has the start menu. Okay, the start menu or the windows of the computer. So I can actually reach it by clicking on it, or I press the Windows key on the keyboard. So the Windows key on the keyboard will take me to the Windows menu. So from here, the start menu, I can actually see the applications installed in this computer. I can see so many things. I can see the apps and all. I can easily open any of them. I can even open through the directory and so many stuff that I have. So it makes it very easy for me to work with. Right, so you can customize it. Start by what you want to display here, what you don't want to display. If I want, I can actually resize this. If I want probably let's look for an application, maybe Skype. I want Skype to display there. I can right click and I say pin to start back. So when I set that and I go back, I will actually notice that Skype is somewhere on my tags bar now. Alright, I'm not actually seeing it. I hope I did not do something wrong. I'm supposed to see Skype pin to this tags bar now. Alright, pin to the start menu. Okay, I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Probably the start menu is so full now. And when I'm pin from start menu, it goes. But I'm not seeing that guy there. So another way I can also put it there is to drag it and drop it there. But it doesn't seem so. I can actually drag and drop, okay? But I can stay there and drag. Stays in here. That's another way. But we are talking about the tags bar anyway. So I can right click. I want this pin to be on the tags bar. Go to more. Say pin to tags bar. Alright. So when you pin it to tags bar, you see it's an appear there on the tags bar. Alright. So I can even decide to move it around to the position I want it to stay. If I don't want it, so right click on pin from tags bar. It goes again. The same thing applies here. I can see I'm pin this guy from tags bar. It goes. But the tags bar also shows us applications that are open. Even a directory, the number of directories that you have open on the graphical user interface on the GUI. Let's say I have this directory open, and then I have another directory here, mtech open. So, alright, so if I look down here, you will see that there are two, and when I hover over it, I can actually see I have two directories. I can even close the directories by clicking here to close, clicking here to close. Alright, it also shows me even applications that are not pinned to the tags bar, but they are open. Alright, so like I don't have access on the taskbar, but if I open access, I will actually see it on the taskbar once it is open, so I see the application there in the taskbar. And of course, any app that is open, you see there is a line underlined in it to show you that it is actually open. So if I close this, you see that it vanishes, it doesn't stay on the taskbar. Unlike these ones, these directories that are pinned there, ones that are closed, they still remain there because I'm pinned there. Alright, it also have navigation status bar, which shows us the current time as far as your CMOS battery is working well. You see the current date and time here. You see the volume, the speaker level. You also see the network, whether you're connected to internet or not, the battery, number of charging this and remaining, and some navigation stuff you can also see here. So that handles what the taskbar does. Okay. Now again we have the recycle bin. So coming up in the next class we learn about the recycle bin. This bin here that looks like a trash can we have in our homes, and you see how filled up it is. So meet you in the next class.